How to unsend a message on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can unsend a message on TikTok. For this, you want to open the TikTok app on your device. If you don't have this app, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Then sign into your account. Now you want to tap on the inbox option. Here you will have the list of all of your chats. Now, if there is a message that you want to unsend or delete, then all you want to do is open up that conversation. Now, as you can see, you have sent a couple of messages here. If there is a specific message you want to unsend, go ahead and tap and hold on that message. Here, you will find different options like reply, forward, copy, and delete. Now, you want to tap on the delete option. Here, there is a button that says delete for everyone. Go ahead and tap on that. As soon as you tap on that particular message will be successfully unsent. One thing you have to remember is that messages can be deleted within 3 minutes after sending. They may have already been seen or forwarded, and they may also be reported. Now, if it has been more than 3 minutes and you want to unsend that message and you tap and hold on this and tap on the delete option, you will see that deleting for everyone option is simply not available. You can only delete that message for yourself. You will not be able to unsend that message for the other person. So whenever you send a message and you want to unsend it, make sure that you do it within 3 minutes. Otherwise, you won't be able to unsend that message. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.